Cyrus seems to be in a serious mood and Cyrus wants to talk to Christian about something. And Cyrus tells Christian that the house is being sold and Cyrus is very sad about it. Then Christian meets Lucas and Lucas takes pictures of the house and sends them to the real estate agent. And Lucas has been in this house since 2018 and Lucas has been in this house for 6 to 7 years and Lucas has found a buyer to sell this house. And then Lucas gets in the car with Cyrus and Lucas says that Marcus and Darius are dealing with a buyer to sell the cars and Lucas and Marcus are going to sell the cars along with the house and the Dobre brothers want to restart everything and the Dobre brothers are going to move to another country. Then it is seen that Darius puts a for sale note on the Lamborghini and Darius is also going to sell the Lamborghini that Darius just bought and Cyrus and Darius have negotiated with a buyer to sell the Lamborghini and Darius has not driven this Lamborghini much and then it is seen that Marcus Porsche has also been sold and this car is very clean inside and Lucas is also going to sell the Pista and the GT3 RS and Lucas has not told Christian anything about all this and Darius is looking a little sad about the cars leaving and then Lucas gets a call from the real estate agent and the agent says that there is an incredible offer for the property and Lucas property is going to sell in about 2 weeks and the buyer is very motivated to buy the property. And then Lucas, Darius, Marcus and Cyrus get sad for a moment because they have a lot of memories in this property and the Dobre brothers are going to start a new chapter. And then they come to another garage where the Pista and the GT3 RS are parked and Lucas and Marcus have also found a buyer for the Pista and the GT3 RS and Lucas does not know which new cars will be bought again after these cars are sold and Darius thinks that this is a good time to sell all the cars because the taxes on the cars are very high. And then Lucas' mother also comes to the garage and Lucas' mother is also excited to move and they think that some things in life need to change. And then Marcus gets in the GT3 RS for the last time and then finally Darius tells Christian that nothing is going to be sold and that the Dobre brothers actually try to prank Christian.